Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making fish 65. Basin, gram flour 1 cup, rice flour 1/4 cup, baking soda half tablespoon, salt as per taste, red chilli flakes 1 tablespoon, cumin powder zira half tablespoon. Mix all dry ingredients, water, perfect consistency. 500 grams fish fillets, oil for frying, fry the fish fillets on medium heat until crisp. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.